Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Something different today. We decided to freshen up our two small patio areas there back in April, and we used a product called Joint It, which had been recommended to us by a couple of different people. Our patio they're a good 10 or 12 years old, and they've just become prolific with weeds over the last couple of years, and no matter what I did to try and keep the weeds down, they'd still eventually make their way back up. So we decided we needed to freshen up the joints in between all the different paving stones. So the first job was to clear out the area between all the paving stones, get all the old sand up and whatever weeds were down there up. And so that was the first job that we needed to do. And here is my husband doing it. And then the next job is to sweep up all that we got out from between the paving stones. So that was the next step. And then the next thing you need to do to use this product, Joint It, is to wet the area that you are going to use it on. Now, we found this product very, very simple to use, and this is not product placement. I'm not getting any money for naming Joint It, but I just highly recommend it. We were thinking for years about freshening up the patio areas, and this just seems to have done the trick. So it comes compact like this. Just open it up with the scissors. And it was so simple to use. All you had to do was sweep it around into the different gaps on your patio. So you can just watch now and see how simple it was to do this. And there is that patio area finished for that day. And the next day I will show you that I came back to it and swept up any excess sand that I could get. And you can just put this excess sand back in the container and cover it with water, and you can use it again another time. So that's very handy. So this is the patio area that we did 2 days ago, and it has been very wet since, but oh, that's hardened up an awful lot now since yesterday. So that's how this has turned out, and I'm going to sweep it now with the soft bristle brush, which it says to do after it's all dried up. Yeah, that's very hard there now. So we'll sweep up all the loose little bits. Now we'll go down and see the other area. Now the sun is shining down here. So this is yesterday's job. Now that is hardening up nicely as well, but yeah, not. It definitely needs more time, but the sun is on it now, so that should do a good job on it. So I might leave this another little while to sweep later in the day maybe. So I'll go over and sweep the other one now. So this is before sweeping. The sun doesn't get into this part of that patio in the morning time. And we'll do an after in a minute after I sweep. And this is the excess sand that I've swept up that I'm putting back in the container, as you can use it again another time. You just cover it with water and pop the lid on, and you can use it another time again, as I said earlier in the video. So I'm just showing you here what we did. Now it's later on in the afternoon and it is clouded up, and I think there might be a shower about to come, so I'm going to try and get this swept up before then. So the shower actually passed over a different direction. We didn't get it. So I'm almost finished sweeping. I'll just show you. So I'm getting all this extra sand off. And there's all swept. So it's looking good. And here it is how it looked in the end when all the jobs were done and it was all swept up and cleaned. And we were so happy with the result. And it was about time that we did something with these patio areas to freshen them up. So I was delighted with this product. Joint it if you are looking for something to do to clean up your patio a bit and to stop the weeds coming up. It's about 4 or 5 weeks later. We have had the odd little weed peek up, but we just killed the weed and put some more of the jointed on, and it was mostly in areas that were to the edge of the patio near the grass, so they just needed a little bit extra of the jointed. But we're delighted with the result and I would recommend this product. And as I said, I'm getting nothing for doing this video, but just I found it a good product and I just recommend it if you are looking for something like this. So that's it. Thank you all for joining me in my garden today, and I hope you are all well, and God bless you all, and talk to you soon. Bye.